Hello everyone. Today I will complete some pages from Cambridge Prime Mathematics Grade 3 workbook. So let's start Unit 1 Lesson 1.1 Hundreds, Tens and 1. 100, 10 and 1. Little bit I want to describe about hundreds, tens and 1. If we have three number, for example, there we can see we have three digit number 1 2 3. So from the right side, not from the left side, from the right side, the first one, the first digit representing ones, like this one 2, so representing ones. The second digit representing tens, so this is 12, and third one representing 100, so 112, like this 200 once at 10 place value nothing, and this one 132. So 100 at 100 place value, 30 at 10 place value, and 2 at 1's place value. So let's start exercise 1.1. Here is the last row of the 100 square. Write the number in the next row, which is the first row of the 101 to 200 square. So let's complete as it is written. We need to continue as above. So 91 until 100. So 101. Like this, we need to continue. Let me make bigger little bit screen. Okay. Start writing 101. So after this, 102. Like this. Continue 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, and so on until 110. In the last box, we just write 110 as continuous, simple and sequence. Question number two: complete these pieces from a 1 to 1000 number strip. So when we are completing these pieces, so from up to down we are using tens, plus tens, and from right to left we are using plus 1. Going backward, minus 1. Going forward, plus 1. I just write it in simple word. So when we are going forward, we are using plus 1. Forward. It should be in your mind when we are moving forward. And when we are moving downward, so this is plus 10. Upward, minus 10. But downward, it is plus 10. We are moving downward. So let's continue. Now we are moving back. The first number we need to write back. So this is 112. So before 112, go backward. 111. So we write here 111, and continue as it is. 111, 112, 130. Now from up to down, this is 112. So minus 10. Going backward, minus 10. So at 10 place value, you can minus it. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 102, 102. So 102, 102, 112, 112 plus 10, 122. And like this, skip this one. C, 132. So minus 1, 131. So when we are moving from left to right, minus 1 plus 1. 131, 132, 133, and from up to down, minus 10. The 132, 122, 22 plus 10, 32, 32 plus 10, 42, so 142. Question number 3. Draw. Draw a representation of 316. How will you show the value of each digit? So when we want to write about a representation, So we need to make the box of 100. All one. This is a box. So this is 100, 200. I'm not making the small bars. This is 200. This one 300. And after this, we have tens place value only tens. So 300 tens. This represents 10. And we have after this 6. So we need to make small 6 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how will you show the value of each digit? So this 1 cube or 1 you can say square equal to 100, 100, 200, 300, 300. This bar equal to 10, 310, and plus 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So hundreds, tens, and ones. 316. Let's move to the next question, number 4. Question number 4. Sorry, question 3, the second part. Now write this number in word. So we can write here 300, 300, and 1 tens, 300 1 tens, and 6 ones. Question 4. What 3-digit number are represented below? The same like question 3. So these two square as I need to draw in the previous question. 100, 200, 200. So we need to write at 100 place value 2. Okay, this is 2. 100, and what about tens? 1, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So 4 10 mean 40 and 2. So 242. Like this, how many start at 100 place value, tens place value, and ones place value? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, 1, and this 3, 15. 500, and the 10th place is you 1, and 1's place value 3. So 513. 513. Question number 5. What is the value of the ringed digit in each 3-digit number? So this is at ones, tens, and 100 place value. So you can write here 100. 100. And what about 5? This 5 at ones place value. So 5 ones, and also 4 at 100 place value, 400. 7 at ones place value, 7 ones, and 2 at tens place value. So 2 tens. Like this other part. Which 100 value have not been used in these number? We are talking about which 100 place values in the first digit from left side. This 100 place value 1 3 4 2 1 3. So what we need to write here, which 100 value have not been used in these number. So we can see here 100 have 300, 200, 300, 400. So 500, 600 we don't have. 500 and 600, 7, 8, 9 we don't have here. 700, 800, and 900. It's enough, no need to write 1000. Question number 6. Practice. Write the number in the next row of the 1 to 1000 string. Let's do it. same like question number 1. Question number 6, 351, 352 until 360. So after 360, just continue as above. So 360, 361, like this, 362, and go on same like this with the difference of 1. 362, 363, 364, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 370. 370 is coming in the last box. Let's move to the next page number 10. Draw. Beat on the abacus to show the 3-digit number. Very easy. We just make circle as the number given here. At ones place value, tens place value, and hundred place value. So let us do it. So we need to draw a circle. At ones place value we have 3. At tens place value we have 20. And hundreds place value we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 623. Yeah, just make only one, so we make 3. 623. After this question, this look, this was the example 623. Let's move to the question. We have here 375. So same like previous. Let's draw the circle. We have first of all at ones place value 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After this, this is ones place value, tens place value. We have 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 70 and 300. Yes, 375. 375. Question number 8. Which 3-digit number is represented on each abacus? Write the number in word. Okay, let's write it. Just to finish this one. 797. So 7 here, 9 here, and 7 here. Just making the here 1 minute. To the next question. So which 3-digit number is represented on each abacus? Write the number in word. So we have here 100 tens and 1. So we need to write 3-digit number. So let's write question number 8. So this one 100 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 to 152. We need to write here 152. 1, 150. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 7, 3. 400. Sorry, not 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 60. 463. 400. 463. Write write this 3-digit number in word. Write this 3-digit number in word. So this is 753. 750. We can write here 700 and 700, and as you are looking above, 753. So just move to the next page. I want to raise. Yeah, all in order. Question number 10. Complete these pieces which come from same like on the first or second page. When we are moving downward and in hundreds, when we are moving straight in tens. So this is 500, to the 600, and then 700, 500, 600, and 700. Like this we are writing now 510 and 520. As I told you, when we are moving downward, plus 10, not plus 100. So 510 and then 520. And when we are moving left or right, backward, plus 1, minus 1. So backward, minus 1. So 520 minus 1, 519. So we need to write here 519. Same like this, 518, 517. So now we are moving upward, need minus 10, not 100, 507 and 40, 507. We are moving upward, 497, 497. After this is 18, 518. So it's good. Okay, let us do the next question, number 11. This the both same. This 899, 900. It's easy. 900, 1000, 1100. Like this, you can do this. After this 889. This is 889, 800. Not 89, 98. Sorry, 899, 800, 89, 89, 889. I will write it 899 minus 1, 98. When we are moving upward, 888, and then 887, no, 870 minus 10, 78, 888, 890. After this 998, 998. After this no, sorry, 898. We are not moving 100. We are just changing tens place value, because I told you before, when you are moving upward or downward, plus 10 minus 10. If it's 9 and when we are doing plus, it's coming 10, so then we will use the next digit. Otherwise, then so 878, 888, 898. After this 900, 908. After this 918. Same like this. This is 889. 899, and after this coming 900. When 900 coming, so down up easy for us. So just minus 10 from 900, 890, 880. After 900, 910, 900 to 910 and 920. Question number 11. Write the missing number 157, 67, 77, 187, 190, 197, 87, 180, sorry, 187, 57, 67, 77, 87, 197. Here the pattern it's given already, so not plus one. Here we don't have anything, that's why we are in the pattern we are writing in plus one, add one. But when we are doing without pattern, that's not like this. So this 157, 167, 177, 187, 197, like this, 2007, 2027, 2037, 2047, as we are going moving forward. After this, the snack, we start from this side or this side, 422 and 452, 462, which means we are moving backward. 452 minus 10, 412. After this, 432 minus 10, 52, 42, 432, 422, 412, 398, and so on. We are doing 92, 90, different we have here, so we can do this. After this, this next part, 763, 773. So we can easily find the number. So this is 763, 773. So the difference between 10. So if we are going moving backward, 753, 743, 733, and so on. And forward, 783, 793, 793, 803, 813, and the last one, 823. Let's move to the next part. Okay, let's move to the next page, number 13. Question number 12, as page number 13 also. Question number 12. When you have two different digit card, you can make two different two-digit numbers. So when you have three different cards, you must be able to make three different three-digit number. Okay, is that correct? How do you know? So you can choose any three number. So let us check, is Aaron correct? We can make any two-digit number, so we can make two. If you can make two different two-digit number if you have two different cards. So what do you think? He is correct. His answer correct. Is Aaron correct? No, obviously not. He's in. So we can write here, he is not. I'm just telling how is this possible. First you need to write he he isn't. Why? So first of all, if we have two cards, just two-digit card, we have just, for example, 1 and 2. We have two cards, okay, 1 and 2. So you can make two-digit numbers. uh, 12 and 21. So yeah, okay, if I have 1 and 2, 1 and 2 digit card or something like this. So we can make two numbers. Each two number we can make it 1 and 2, 12. We can make 12, and 21 we can make 2. So if we have three digit card, any 1 2 3, any three digit number, so we can make not 3, we can make 6, 1 2 3. If we have 1 2 3, so we can make 123, 132, and 213, 231, and 312, and 321. So he's incorrect. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can make six different three-digit numbers if we have three different cards. Let's move to the next part. Question number 13. Read along each row to find three-digit number. Very easy. 546. Read down each column to find another three-digit number. So let us, if we are moving forward, across we can say. So we have 546, 546, 546. Just need to erase. If you're moving across like this, I need to write here 546, and the second one 318, and the third one 972. And if we are moving downward, so 539, 417, and 682. So it's written here, you need to write in word, so you can write it with these numbers. After this unit 1 lesson 1.2, comparing and ordering. So exercise 1.2, complete these pieces which come from a thousand strip. Same like in lesson 1.1, we are just moving downward, plus 10, upward, minus 10, or when we are moving left to right, plus plus 10. We have two options. If we are moving, if it's about 1000, so we can do, if we are doing here in hundreds, so we are doing left to right in tens, or if we are doing in tens, so left to right in ones. So here we are using 100 thousand step, not 100 step, so we can use another form. So we are using up to down, down to up, plus 100. So we can write here plus 100 or minus 100. So which we are using the digit we need to mention here. We are using this rule, plus 100 downward. Moving upward, so minus 100 in simple word. From left to right, right to left. So if we are using here 100, so it should be 10 plus 10. Okay, let's do it. Now we have 190. So if we are writing here, so it's coming 180, and 190, 200. And if up to down, this 190 minus 100, 90 only. So 190 plus 100, 290. 90, 190, 200. Same like this, the other parts. Question number 2. Compare these number and complete the sentences. So let's start. Hundreds, tens, ones, 249, 249, and this 173. So it's written here dash is less than dash. So we choose the number from here. We choose the number from this one. So 173 is less than 279. 173 is less than 249. And the second line you can write here dash is greater than. So opposite, just we need to write 249 is opposite is greater than 173. Here 173. Write the statement in question to using the symbol. Using the symbol. So let us do it. 173 is less than. So we are using less than sign. Less than 249. And what about the second? 249 greater than 173. Let's move to the next question. For order these number from starting from the smallest. I'm just writing 1, 2, 3. Okay, this 327, 79, 64. This is the first one. This is the first smallest number from smallest to the largest. So 64 is the first one. You can write a number, or it's better you write 64, then just write like this, it's better for you. So starting from smallest, arranging them, 64, the first one. After 64 we have the second one, 79. These are two-digit number only. Now we left 100, 200, 300. So this is the third, this fourth, and this fifth. Easy. So 142 and 236 and 327. This the greatest number 327 and smallest 64. Estimate the value of each number marked on the number line. This is 200. This is we can say 250 or 240. Right, 250 is better. And this 500. So obviously this 500. We are making estimate, not accurate exactly. Okay, this 900 little bit behind. So this 880 like this. Next, use question number 6, less than or greater than sign to write two inequalities about this number. So question number 6, you can write here. Same, we are using less than greater than 456 and 465. So 456, I'm just writing the first one. 456 is greater than or less than obviously less than 465. 456 less than. First, okay, order the number from greatest to the smallest. Same like question number 4, the smallest to the largest, and this is largest to the smallest. Question number 8, mark the number for question 7 on the number line. Mark the number for from question 7 on the number line. So we need to move backward. We have here number 69, 89, 896, 689 and 958. Let's do it, making marks. Question number 8. '69 is coming here. 69 and 98. 98 is coming here and 69 coming here, and after this we have after 69, 98, we have the next number. We need to move backward. After this we can see 69 done, 98 done. Okay, 689, 896 and 983. Okay, now it's easy. So where is 889? Where is 800? This is 800. So after this 889, 896. So this one 896. This actually 10, but you can make it approximately estimate. After 896, the next number 689, 689, and like this, and so on. According to number, you just find it and make a line. Question number 9. Compare these numbers, write some inequalities in question number 9. So you can write any, like 753 is it's less than 547, 573 is less than 540, 753, as soon as you want. It's better, it's need to complete with the less than and greater than sign. Just I do the first one. 753 is greater than 547. Question number 10. Use looks at the place value digit grid in question number 9 and write 547, 753 is greater than 574, and 753 is greater than 547 and less than 574. Write some more inequalities in question number 10. Write more inequalities like those written by user. So you can write any one. 753 is greater than 753 is greater than 574, and so on. You can make a complete set. Question number 11. What could the missing digit be in each of these inequalities? So this 634. What about this 634? So it's less than 34. 630, 31, 623, 600. It is less than, so 634, 44, 644. You can write 5, 651, 661, and so on. Okay, then 765 and 82, 83 and 65. What we need to do? This is 65. This is 83. 65 is bigger, so we can write here 6. So it's 600, 763 and 65 and 600. We are writing here only 683. It means 683 is smaller than 765 and bigger than 83. Okay, after this 275, 200, 56, you can write it, and 372 is coming at 372 is less than 371, 70 as you want. The next question on all the possible solution to 372. So this one, do it like this. Take out all the possible solution of 372. So you can make it a lot of with 2 and 7. Just I write it. So 372 is 272. Again, right. After this, if you are moving to the next page, order the height after these tower from shortest to the tallest. So shortest to the tallest. So this one starting from highest is 442 or 450 452. So we need to find the smallest. So we can write here the shortest one. So 400, 5, 6, 400, 404, 62, 42, 52. This one. 442. This one the smallest. And after this of 442, then 452. This is the second. Then 462. This is the third. After this, we are writing here in on the line 462. After this, we need to write 462, 555, 632, and the last 828. This is the largest number. Question 13. Write the digit 1 to 9 anywhere in the grade 3. Any number. So we can make it the any two color. This color, this color, this one, and water. This one, sorry. So row and column, we need to finish it using 1 to 9 different numbers. And after this, these numbers need to show on the lines as I did it in the previous pages of from math. So after this, the next page, 1.3, the next lesson in the next video. So take care. Bye bye.